Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on Dunder methods, also known as magic methods or special methods in Python. These are methods that allow you to define the behavior of your objects for built-in operations, like arithmetic operations, comparisons, and more. They are easily recognizable by the double underscores at the beginning and end of their names, such as underscore underscore init underscore underscore, underscore underscore stir underscore underscore, and underscore underscore add underscore underscore. Let's dive into one of the most commonly used Dunder methods. Underscore underscore init underscore underscore. This method is the constructor of a class and is called when we create a new instance of a class. It allows us to initialize the object's attributes with specific values. This is crucial for setting up the initial state of an object. Now, let's explore the underscore underscore stir underscore underscore method. This Dunder method is called by the stirrer built-in function and by the print function to obtain a string representation of an object that is meant to be readable. It's particularly useful for providing a human-readable description of the object.